Here's how to export transparent PNG in Affinity 3.0 Designer in less than 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this full walkthrough on how to get a clean, crisp PNG with a perfect transparent background. First, make sure your canvas has no solid background. If you see a white layer at the bottom, turn off its visibility or delete it. The checkerboard means transparency is active, so if you can see that pattern through your design, you're good. Now go to File and then Export. Choose PNG as your format because it supports transparency by default. In the Export panel, set the area option depending on what you want to save, either your whole document or just your selected object. If your background is transparent, Affinity automatically keeps it that way. From here, adjust the size or resolution if needed. A higher resolution gives you a sharper image, especially if you're exporting logos or icons. Once your settings are ready, hit Export. Choose where to save the file and confirm. Affinity will generate a clean, transparent PNG without any extra steps. And that's all you need to export a transparent PNG in Affinity Designer 3.0. Quick, simple, and beginner-friendly.